everyone and welcome back to the channel.
If you're one of the many people who have purchased or perhaps researched into the Ninja Slushi machine, you may have discovered one of its biggest drawbacks, the dreaded grime trap inside the main vessel.
But fear no more, because today we'll be showing you how to get your slushy squeaky clean without the need for using harsh chemicals or breaking the bank.
So let's get into it.
So, we've owned our slush machine now for about a couple of months, and in terms of actually delivering decent frozen drinks, it does a great job.
But like many people, we discovered that no matter how hard you clean, you still can't reach the plastic lip inside of the main vessel.
It doesn't matter if you put it in the dishwasher, use a brush, or leave it to soak, you just cannot get this thing clean.
It's especially concerning if you want to make a milkshake or a frappe, as all of that leftover milk is just going to sit behind that lip.
So we took it upon ourselves to find a solution, and we think we may help dozens of you out there facing the same problem. And the solution is rather unexpected: a water flosser.
Now, we were skeptical at first, but it seems as though this cheap little device can actually do a decent job of getting into all those nooks and crannies, which makes it perfect for the Ninja Slushi.
Now, of course, you may be thinking, well, if Ninja made it right in the first place, yada yada yada, well, you're right, but it doesn't look like they're sending out replacement vessels anytime soon.
So we found this electric flosser on Amazon for around £20, which is relatively inexpensive, and it comes with a few different nozzles to suit your needs.
But before we show you it in action, I think it's only right if we take a look at the dirt and grime we currently have inside of our Ninja Slushi vessel.
Now, as you can see, there's a nice build-up of gross, scummy stuff on the rim there inside the vessel. And like we said before, there's almost no way of getting access to it.
We have seen some people applying a bead of silicone around that lip, preventing any moisture getting through. But I don't know about you guys, but I'd rather keep silicone out of my digestive system.
Okay, so let's stop talking and get down to showing you how to clean it. So what you need to do is first make sure your flosser is charged, full of water, and that you have the periodontal nozzle fitted.
The periodontal nozzle has a very flexible tip, allowing you to direct the flow of water precisely where the grime tends to build up.
Now, you're going to want to take your time moving around the whole rim of the vessel, and just be careful not to spray water in your face.
Once you have successfully cleaned around the entire lip of the vessel, leave it to dry out for a few hours before checking on the result.
So, as you can see from our before and after, it has actually helped clean out the grime quite well.
Obviously, it would be great if we didn't have this issue to begin with, especially on such a pricey appliance, but here we are.
To avoid this issue becoming too out of hand, we recommend a thorough clean after every use using the flosser.
If you'd like to purchase your own electric flosser like the one we have here, check out our Amazon link in the description.
We really hope that this video has helped you in your quest for a clean slushie, or maybe it's helped you make a more informed decision on whether you actually want to purchase one.
Either way, thanks for tagging along, and we'll see you again in the next one.